This is a song I wrote for my good friend Alexis Mackey, and it's fucking awesome. Alexis, you have a really nice butt. Alexis, you like to do a lot of stuff. Alexis, you are my best friend. Your brother thinks I'm weird, but it's okay, Alexis. Alexis, I don't know how to play your guitar, Alexis. Alexis.